What you see here are the Powerbox GML 20 and GML 50 professional job site radios, the world's first job site radios with integrated subwoofer. Both of these can be powered by a standard mains supply or also by Bosch 14.4 and 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. Both job site radios offer unbeatable surround sound with their subwoofer and 4 speakers. The power boxes have versatile connection options. For example, you can connect your MP3 player to the USB or aux-in ports, or you can connect other playback devices. The job site radios also have 2 plug sockets for even more flexibility. The power box is extremely robust thanks to its spring-mounted aluminium frame and can even withstand being dropped from up to 3 meters. What's more, it's dust and splash protected. The GML 50 Professional also has an integrated battery charger for all Bosch 14.4 and 18-volt lithium-ion batteries and a remote control for convenient operation. Job site radio redefined, 360-degree protection, 360-degree sound, the GML 20 Professional with 20 watts and the GML 50 Professional with 50 watts, integrated charging station and remote control.